Thank you for tuning into another newly listed on the CSE clip for the month of June. Today, I'm talking to Mr. Harry Chu. Harry is the president and CEO of Arctic Fox Ventures, which is just listed with us. Harry, thank you so much for taking the time to join me today. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Harry, let's just jump right into it. So Arctic Fox Ventures, what is the vision behind this company and what do you do?
We're a junior mining exploration company. We've identified a project which we got involved with last year, and we're going to be drilling a deep hole into a property located just outside Merritt, BC. So it's just close access to infrastructure and highway. So for us, that was one of the ideal things that we needed to have in order to go into a work program.
Got it. BC is definitely one of the more popular regions when it comes to mining. Harry, what was the strategy behind taking the company the public route?
Well, obviously part of going public is to generate some liquidity for our shareholder base. And the other part is to access capital, which we may not otherwise be able to have being a private company. So we expect if we have some success that we'll be in position to go to the market to raise some additional capital, which we'll need to continue to develop our property.
Got it. Harry, talk to us a little bit about your background.
I'm a CPA. That's my background. I've been a CPA for several years and been in the market for well over 30 years, aging myself. We've established a very strong team. We have a geologist, Jerry Carlson, who has 30 plus years in mining, and Sonny Chu has also got a wealth of experience in the public market. So we have a very good team that has taken several companies public, not just mining companies, but oil and gas, gaming. So we've been kind of in every sector, if you want to call it.
Got it. As you mentioned, BC, a lot of companies in the mining space in that region. You obviously have a very strong team behind you. What would you say differentiates a company and team like Arctic Fox Ventures from some of your peers in this space?
Well, I mean, first and foremost, copper prices are at all-time high. So that's what's very attractive for us. I mean, copper has always been up and down, all generally offsetting against gold prices. But now copper prices are up, and we think it's an opportune time we're able to develop a property that we can make some good profits in order to extract or produce off of our property. The other thing that differentiates us from other people is that we have ease of access to our property, which is important. We have infrastructure, there's water, there's power, close accessibility to the highway. We don't have to worry about helicoptering in and seasonal work that a lot of other companies have to do up in the interior of BC. So, and Merritt, BC is a town that it's 40 kilometers away, which is ideal for us.
Got it. Now, are there any milestones our viewers and investors can look out for from your company and team?
Well, we've, fortunately, because of the busy time, getting a driller or access to workers is extremely difficult. But we were fortunate, upon listing, that we were able to secure a driller to go on site, and he's actually on the property right now as we speak, and the pads are set and they're starting to drill, and we expect to get some results probably within the next 2 to 3 weeks, and all the core will be sent to the assay lab, and we'll be in a position to announce any results shortly thereafter.
Perfect. Harry, where can our audience reach out to you should they have any questions about your company and project?
They can call our office, 604-689-2646. They can email me at hchu@pacificparagon.com, or just go to my LinkedIn, Harry Chu. That would be good.
Perfect. Harry, once again, I thank you for taking the few minutes to come talk to myself and our audience about Arctic Fox Ventures. I look forward to, watching your company grow.
Thank you, Neil.
Thank you for tuning in to another newly listed on the CSE. Please feel free to hit like and share this content, and hit subscribe if you haven't already.